My name is Gabrielle Strich. I'm an attorney, mediator, and collaborative lawyer. And today we're doing the fifth in a series of how to stay married. In the last video, we discussed 4 different types of marital agreements, but I feel that the one that needs the most attention is a mid-marriage or post-nuptial agreement. The problem is, this is a tough one. It is under greater scrutiny than any other type of agreement because you don't have consideration of getting married. You're already married. You cannot have staying married as a consideration, as that violates public policy. There may be ways to reframe a mid-marriage agreement as a reconciliation agreement, which is subject to far less scrutiny, by one party filing a complaint and then signing an agreement after it, or one party moving out for, say, a month and signing the agreement while they're out. But the big issues in mid-marriage agreement is adequate consideration that's allowed and enforceability. So there was a couple that the husband got very sick and he really wanted his wife to be the one to take care of him, which meant her leaving her job for starters. So he said to her, if you agree to do this, I will transfer the house to you. So 3 years later, after caring for her husband and not working so that she could do so, she learned he never got around to changing the deed to the home. And so she filed a complaint for enforcement. And the court said, no, you cannot have enforcement of an agreement for personal services of any type. So don't even go there. So why do people want to do mid-marriage agreements? Well, perhaps I have another case where husband has an affair, tells wife about it, apologizes, say, it'll never happen again. And guess what? It happened a second time. And now she's not okay. Now she doesn't want to forgive him. And so, but she needs to know, he begs and begs, and she needs to know that she's going to have a place for her and her children to live. So she agrees that she will stick it out if he arranges to transfer the house, which is currently in joint names, to her, with the further stipulation the house will not be subject to equitable distribution. There are many other reasons that people do mid-marriage agreements, and many people succeed and are able to continue on being married. As you can see, it's a complex issue, and I strongly recommend you talk to an attorney seasoned in matrimonial law, like myself, before you try to engage in this. If you're in New Jersey and you want to know more about mid-marriage agreements, my contact information is below.